Hey Tara, so how's my car sound like? How's my car sound like?
Ding dang, bing it bang 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 boom. Ting ting.
Come again? Come again?
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Vasily Garage / Cover Fun Kids. So today we're gonna put on some brakes. I'm sorry, this is a very long video with all these clips. There.
So guys, welcome to our channel. Move back with the camera a little bit. I don't want anybody to see my dirty face. So this episode is a series of install, lowering the TSX,
We've been
rolling the fenders, and 3, doing a big brake kit that Noah Lee is sitting on right now. Okay, so what we got here.
We've been stuck here for.
Well, before you even go into that, first of all, I just want to let you guys know that it's very important for everybody out there to have a good stopping power. Even if your car is not modified, even if your car, you don't race your car, be able to have those brakes, instant braking, it's good for anybody. I mean, regardless if you race your car. You know, I might do a little hood ride with this car, I'm not gonna lie, but as you know, or if you may not know, pretty much all my cars, if you go to Monica, the front wheel, you're gonna see I have spoon calipers on both sides. And
You may want to do it on the brighter side. Okay, there you go.
yeah, and they work great. But since I got the new daily here, the station wagon, I figure, hey, what's the best way and what's better brand out there to go with and doing a big brake kit? So we'll show you guys what we got here.
Open it. No, what? You don't deserve to open it. Hold this camera.
Okay, no, Ali wants to open it.
Mine. I call dibs on everything. Bye-bye.
So this is a 4-piston Buddy Club.
Oh, it's another sticker.
And oh man, these things are
Shout
huge.
out to Buddy Club.
And I might say, guys, look at the size of that caliper.
That looks amazing too.
It does look amazing. Now, leave it in the box, please.
Okay.
Now, these brakes right here, I happen to have them on my 90 Gen SI that my wife used to own.
Okay, guys.
And I must say, these brakes right here are awesome. Like, literally, I was like really happy and satisfied with the brakes. So I said to myself, if I ever gonna buy another, like, you know, New York Civic or TSX, whatever, I'm definitely gonna go with the Buddy Club.
Okay.
So you look, this kit right here, it's roughly about 1650, I believe, 1600, 1700, something like that.
You guys ready?
Might be a little more. Can't remember. $1600 or $1700, and it comes with a. Go ahead, open it. It comes with the rotors.
Oh, it says right in here. What's that?
I'm not sure what it says, but go ahead. Be careful with that rotor. It's got rotors. Comes with the bolts right here. Oh, excuse me. Now these rotors are big, bro. Look at that.
And pretty heavy.
Watch it. That's heavy, right? That's pretty sick right there. And we got some braided lines. Awesome. All right, so we got braided lines.
And another one.
All right, awesome.
Halfway.
Let's see what else we got there.
If anyone
And
knows,
the brackets,
oh yeah.
which this is a must. Those brackets.
And another bracket.
Yes, we do.
And if anyone
Take that rotor out.
And if anyone knows what this says, please let us know in the comments.
It doesn't matter what it says. I actually don't even care. I know this is made for my car. Let's go ahead and remove that rotor. And see if there's anything else in the box other than that. Awesome.
It's so heavy.
That's it. So that's pretty much it. Now, be careful with this. Don't drop them. Man, those are nice.
We've been stuck in
So that's the key right there. We're gonna go ahead and install this right here.
We've been stuck
And
in this
I'm gonna go show you guys how to remove your front OEM brakes. We have two Phillips right here. The best way to take those off is to have something like this with the socket, and you have to have a big fat Phillips, not the skinny regular ones like a screwdriver one. You see the difference between the two? See how much bigger that one is?
We've been
See how much bigger that is?
garage.
So you use the bigger one. You loosen these ones up right here, right?
Hey,
Okay. Next thing you want to do is loosen up this hose, because you're gonna remove it with this hose completely. You want to loosen up this one right here, 10 millimeter in the back.
do you know what comes with it?
Let me grab a flashlight so you can see better what I'm talking about.
What comes with it when you remove it?
What does it come with it?
Sun.
A what?
A sun.
A sun? Wow.
We've been stuck in this garage for about 4 hours now.
Oh my goodness, cry me a river. Guys, I'm about to punch this fool right now. This fool's tripping, man. Yo, you need to calm down. Yo, you need to calm down, man.
Get back here!
You need to calm down, man. Somebody save me.
Get back here! Get back here!
Hey, look at the deers. You see them? Okay, crazy, come back inside. Oh, guys, I'm gonna run back inside. I'm gonna like this fool outside.
How dare you!
Anyways, guys, so next thing you want to take off, this one right here, this 10 millimeter right here, it's very hard to loosen up. So the best way to taking that off, grab yourself a set of channel locks. Those are Knipex, made in Germany. They're awesome. You just grab it right there.
Also, this is our last fun activity. Yay.
That's it. That's your last energy right there. So you squeeze it hard and then loosen it, because I'm gonna tell you right now, if using a 10 millimeter wrench, it's gonna strip that knot right there. Loosen that up. This 12 millimeter right here, Phillips right here, and in the back here, 17 millimeter. And that's pretty much it. You're gonna go ahead and just install the new setup the same way you took the old one. Then we're gonna bleed the system. All right. So big brake kit already installed. 2 bolts right there, Philip. The caliper, the bracket. That's the bracket. That's the old caliper that I have to take it out of there with the zip tie. Go ahead, grab that, and cut the zip tie. See a zip tie right there underneath? There you go.
Ooh, you got it.
Of course I got it. Sucker's heavy.
Now we're gonna lower down the car. Right down.
Not yet. Just want to show everybody what we did. So put that caliper there out of the way. Install the bracket. Install the custom deal that they got over there. Make sure this doesn't touch your wheel. I'm running an 18-inch wheel, so I'm way up here. Make sure that this doesn't rub on anything on the body, so it doesn't gonna mess up. And that's pretty much it. This thing looks beautiful. Now we're gonna get Noah inside the car. He's gonna bleed the brakes. I'm gonna get my brake fluid up in here and bleed the brakes, add some more fluid, and we should. Other than that, we're just gonna have to play with the suspension, where actually we're going to adjust it, which that's from the previous video. So yeah, that's pretty much it. As far as that's good, Wally. That's pretty much it as far as the big brake kit. Like I said, not very hard to do. Make sure you install everything. I mean, it's brakes. It's your that's your safety right there. So make sure you do everything right and use some Loctite if you have some. And we're just gonna go ahead and just no, please don't.
Just kidding.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and just bleed the brakes, and that's it. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, feel free to comment down below. Feel free to share our videos if you have any questions. We're more than happy to help you guys out. But
The 5-hour video.
okay, calm down, son. Calm down. Needs to get back in there. But anyways, guys, appreciate you for tuning in and watching our video. And till next time, much love. Take it easy.